Here's the news of the day.
MD Helicopters completed its first MD-500E to MD-530F conversion for the Cleveland Police, boosting load capacity, speed, and performance through enhanced rotor and engine upgrades.
Vertical Aviation International updates its bylaws to enhance representation and governance, reflecting the industry's growth and diversifying membership as it prepares for board elections in March 2025.
ASOG and FlySight offer a free hands-on airborne mission management and sensor course at European Rotors, providing certification and expert training for aviation professionals from November 5th to 6th.
AMS Helidesign's new FAA-certified STC enables Leonardo AW119 and AW109E helicopters to be retrofitted with VVIP EMS or utility configurations, enhancing versatility and resale value.
RotorLink Technical Services celebrates 20 years of aerospace parts excellence, emphasizing its commitment to quality and sustainability in the industry.
Vita Inclinata Technologies and Air Rescue Systems debut at European Rotors, showcasing their Vita Rescue System and Pelican RED to enhance efficiency and safety in SAR operations.
Project SkyPower's new report emphasizes a 2-year deadline for Europe to secure investments in ESAF plants, outlining a 15 to 25 billion euro plan needed by 2030 to meet aviation fuel mandates.
RMI partners with World Energy and SABA to purchase sustainable aviation fuel certificates, aiming to cut 954 metric tons of CO2e emissions over 5 years, promoting net zero travel solutions.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.